Going to walk through what is needed in a basic estate plan most Americans should probably consider. Number one, beneficiary designations. Beneficiary designations are on things like life insurance, retirement accounts, bank accounts can have them, most any investment account. A beneficiary designation supersedes a will. Even if a will says everything goes to my spouse, if a beneficiary designation says it goes somewhere else, like an ex-spouse, I've seen that, then the beneficiary designation is staying. Make sure those are right. Number two, a will. That is what most people think of in estate planning, but it's actually not all that important. If you pass away without one, then each state has their own. It basically follows that your money goes to your spouse and your kids, but it does have to pass through probate, which means you have court expenses and attorney expenses. The way that you avoid that is with a trust, a revocable living trust. This is something that line items out what happens to your money if you pass away and you don't want it to go to your kids at age 18. Most states, at the age of majority, your kids will get their portion of your net worth. Most 18-year-olds aren't able to handle that money responsibly. Create a trust. Mine says my two kids can have money for healthcare, education, maintenance, support up till age 25, and they get an income match for 5 years, then at age 30 they have access to the rest of the money. Those are the three main things you need to consider. If you have questions, hit me up.